Hey everyone, thanks for joining us again today. Robert from Tampa Bay Auto Network here to do a walk around with you on this 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan GT. Hey everyone, walking around the Dodge Caravan. It's got 17-inch alloy and black factory wheels with brand new tires all the way around, as you can see there. This is called Billet Clear Coat Metallic over a black leather interior. It has a few minor love bug marks here, as you can see. None on the hood. Maybe a couple of pinprick minor chips. Nothing you wouldn't come to expect with 73,000 miles in 3 years. Same on this side, just a few minors, nothing out of the ordinary. Again, these factory wheels are in great shape. There's no curvage on any of them. There's no dents, dings, or scratches on the passenger side. This Dodge has a power rear hatch, you can see here. It also has remote power sliding doors on both sides. Stow and go, fold away, third row and second row. A lot of room in the back there if you don't need the third row. As you can see, the roof is in great shape. It has the factory installed roof rack with the crossbars. The driver's side is very clean with no dents or scratches. It does have one minor ding right here. Other than that, the tire side is flawless. Let's take a look at the interior. All right, taking a look at the interior on the Caravan. As you can see, there's no stains or rips, frayed seams. That red stitching is in great shape. Same on the passenger side. Looks really good. Looking at the back. I'm sure this had some traffic, but it doesn't look like much. Again, the stitching's in great shape. Armrests are functional. No tears or rips. No breaks of any kind. That seat folds away, as you can see, so that you can access the back. Then your third row. Looks like it spent most of its life folded down, to be honest. But I am sure it got some usage. But it is in great shape. Alright, let's do a startup on the Caravan. Multi-function wheel in really good shape, as you can see. Here's your dash. 73,508 on the odometer with no warning lights. Here's your home link system here. Here for watching the kids. Sliding door switches and rear power hatch. Your automatic dimming rearview mirror. Let's see here. It has built-in navigation, as you can see. Center console's in great shape. Let's turn on the AC. And it is cold. Very cold. Rear AC, driver and passenger as well. Heated steering wheel, heated front seats. There is an economy mode button here as well. And then there is an outlet for 115 volt power inverter right here. Center console with cup holders and compartments, all in great shape. No cracks in any of this. It's a beautiful van, guys. If you're looking for a runaround vehicle for your family, something safe and reliable, this is what you want to look at.